A display of Russian might in Sebastopol in Crimea, March 2014. Moscow annexed the peninsula from Ukraine that month. Vladimir Putin was on hand to seal a transfer of power. 3 years on, Kiev accuses Moscow of discriminating against ethnic Tatars and Ukrainians in Crimea. Some local residents, however, argue that Ukraine's claim should be dismissed because Moscow's takeover was approved in a referendum.
Yes, most of the Crimean Tatars didn't vote, though some did take part in the referendum vote. But in general, the Russian-speaking population of Crimea was really happy and celebrated the return of Crimea to Russia.
That return is one of two main areas of accusation in the proceedings against Moscow in The Hague.
Please be seated.
Kiev also accuses Russia of sponsoring terrorism in eastern Ukraine, where more than 9,750 people have been killed over the last 3 years. It is seeking reparations for the 2014 downing of Malaysian Airlines Flight 17, which killed 298 passengers and crew. The Kremlin denies sending troops or military equipment to eastern Ukraine, despite what Kiev and Western countries say is incontrovertible evidence. The international community has imposed economic sanctions on Moscow for interference in the country. The Russian Foreign Ministry is taking the ICJ hearing seriously, with a delegation of 35 people in attendance.
Ukraine contre Fédération de Russie.
Moscow has faced allegations at the court before. A case against Russia for the 2008 war in Georgia's South Ossetia region ended up being dismissed on the grounds the court lacked jurisdiction. It's believed this case could end the same way.